Hi everyone, welcome to Droid channel. Today's video will teach you how to fix Samsung phone stuck in boot loop. A boot loop is when a Samsung device fails to boot past the logo screen and restarts after the logo screen appears or just gets stuck on it. You may be after flashing, custom ROM installation. Phone got frozen while in Messenger, suddenly turned off and now it's stuck on boot loop. The phone will not go to the main menu. The phone won't power on properly, it will be stuck on the Samsung logo indefinitely. The phone is affixed with the manufacturer's logo. The phone keeps turning on and off. The phone is stuck on the phone model screen. If your Samsung phone is experiencing any of the above symptoms, then your phone is most likely in a boot loop. Why do Samsung phones boot loop? The power button is stuck. Some applications installed on your mobile phone may carry malicious codes and viruses, which may affect the normal function of your device. A software glitch on your Samsung phone can also cause Samsung phone stuck in reboot loop. The hardware of the Samsung phone is damaged. Any of the above reasons may be causing Samsung stuck on restarting loop. Here are some of the most effective solutions you can use to try and fix a Samsung device that is stuck in a boot loop and refuses to boot through the Samsung logo screen. If the following methods are helpful to you, you can click subscribe to get the latest news. Method 1 is to check if the phone power button is stuck. Before checking whether the power button is stuck, you first need to remove your phone case. If not, please ignore it. After the power button is removed, press and release the power button several times to make sure the power button works. Method 2 is to force restart your Samsung phone. If your Samsung phone stuck in logo screen, you can force restart your phone. It might help you to solve your problem. The combination button on Samsung phones is the power button and the volume down button. To perform a force restart, press and hold the phone's combination button for 10 to 15 seconds until it vibrates, or you can let go when you see the Samsung icon. Please wait for your Samsung phone to restart to see if the problem is resolved. Method 3 is to drain the battery or remove the battery. If the forced restart does not work, please drain the battery of the phone. You can put the phone in a dry place for a day or even longer. After confirming that the battery is exhausted, charge the Samsung phone for at least 60 minutes and try to reset the Samsung phone again. Boot. See if it returns to normal. If the battery is removable, remove the battery. Wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes and reinstall the battery to see if the problem is resolved. Method 4 is to make sure that the Samsung phone is not overheating. Please make sure that the Samsung phone is not overheated. If the phone is overheated, please use the physical cooling method to cool down the Android phone repeatedly. For example, use a fan and refrigerator to blow air on the Samsung mobile phone, and leave the Samsung mobile phone for 60 minutes. After the temperature of the Samsung mobile phone is normal, check whether the mobile phone returns to normal again. Method 5 is to enter Samsung safe mode. If the above method does not work for you, your phone is still in the rebooting loop as usual, please run your Samsung phone in safe mode. Safe mode lets you run your device with its basic interface, which makes the phone run without any third-party apps. Please follow the steps below to enter safe mode. Press and hold the phone's power button. Once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, release the power button and hold the volume down button. Wait until your phone finishes restarting, and safe mode will appear in the lower left corner of your screen after the restart is complete. Please check in safe mode to see if the problem persists. If the screen won't flicker in safe mode, there may be an issue with an app you installed recently. Find it and uninstall it. Method 6 is to wipe the cache partition. Wiping the cache partition of a Samsung phone stuck in a boot loop can solve this problem very well, and most importantly, you won't lose any data when you wipe the cache partition of your Samsung device. Follow the steps below to enter recovery mode. Turn off the phone and connect the phone to the computer with a USB data cable. After connecting, press and hold the volume up button and the power button until the recovery mode interface appears on the screen. At this time, the screen will prompt you to enter recovery mode. So, choose Wipe Cache Partition. You need to use the volume up and volume down keys to select it, and power key to confirm it. Please be patient while your phone finishes clearing the cache. Restart the phone after clearing the cache to see if the problem is resolved. Method 7 is to restore factory settings. If you try all the above methods, your Samsung phone still stuck on restarting loop, then you may need to factory reset your phone. Please connect your phone to your computer. Then, make sure your phone is turned off and wait at least 30 seconds. Next, press the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. You can let go while seeing the recovery mode screen. From the Samsung recovery screen, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset using the volume buttons and press the power button to confirm. Then, use the volume buttons to select Factory Reset and use the volume buttons to select the Yes option to confirm. This will trigger the reset process, which should only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once done, it will take you back to the recovery mode interface. Use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your phone will turn on and reboot to the home screen. Samsung phones need to be reactivated after a factory reset. Please follow the prompts to reactivate. After the activation is successful, please verify whether the phone is back to normal again. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is room for improvement, you can also express your views and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.